Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will speak in the production operation management subject topic, the Richardson Taylor Gordon framework strategy in the operation strategy, which will give the profitability to the industry and enhance the productivity and efficiency process. As in apparent from the many situations in the world, operation strategy don't fit in neatly with the three generic strategy of the Porter. Another way of looking at operation strategy has been suggested by the Richardson, Taylor, and Gord. They have developed a six-element framework for the operation strategy. Their framework is described below. Number one, technological frontiers remain. This strategy is to remain at the leading edge of the technology with a focus on product innovation. Technological frontiermen take advantage of the initial high margin of the new product offering and move on to new products when the product or services begin to draw tough price competition or a host of the imitates. Innovation, flexibility, and quality are the major components of the value creation logic. The production system has to have the organization structure and controls to deal with the continuing flow of the new products of the high quality. The design of the jobs and work system is of crucial importance. The focus is on the people, Hewlett Packard and Oracle. Technology exploiters. Now the strategy is to introduce a stream of the new product or services. The objective is to exploit the potential large volume market which may follow the new product introduction. The organization, therefore, from the inception, focus on the production design as well as a product performance. The major component of the value creation logic are flexibility as well as low cost production. Productivity, process technology, and logistics are critical to this type of the organization. Microsoft, Texas Instrument, etc. Dow TI cycles also fall in this category. They were servicing a market that was diminishing in size. Sadly, they were unable to provide value to the customer. In growth market, which was constituted temporarily to of the customer for the cost minimizer. Technological servicemen. This is strategy of the technical leadership in custom service to the low volume markets. This often embraces extremely high money values. Leading software companies, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, etc. They customize and build the specification of their software to the requirement of their customers. In order to do so, they have a high flexible product development system with extremely high quality requirement. Potential losses to the customers from the quality compromises dominates the strategy choices. Customizers, the strategy is to build the custom designs in the low volumes. Examples, jobs of manufacturer, satellite manufacturer, service organization like the restaurant. The functional focus is on the positioning and the process technology of operating decisions, and this supply chain are crucial. The end product is built or delivered to the specification of the customers. In manufacturing, because of low volume, numerically controlled machine tools, FMS, and other forms of the low volume process technology are often used. Cost minimizing customizers, the organization deal with the product that are nature. The margins are often low, but many values are often high. Customers choose the supplier based on the specialized skill. Construction companies, shipyard are the examples of this type of the organization. Example, L&T must emphasize flexibility and quality and yet minimize cost in order to remain a leader in its business. Cost minimization, these organizations have a strategy of producing standardized high volume products and the service at low cost. There are a large proportion of the business model that fall in this category. Example, manufacturer of the steel, aluminum, cement, etc., who operate in the bulk market, fast moving consumer product, services like shipping, airlines, passenger trains, etc. Hero Cycle also falls in this category. These organizations must be cost competitive and position their product so that it is available in the marketplace with a control and consistent quality. All the elements of the operation strategy have a place in this type of the operation. These include positioning, process technology, capacity location, job design, and operating decision. Many such organizations are vertically integrated. Advanced technique of the inventory control and process control find an important place in operation in this type of the organization. Richardson, Taylor, and Gordon model. Strategy, description, value creation logic, functional focus. Examples. Technology, frontiersman, RD driven, constant new product introduction, skimming profit, flexibility, quality, supply chain, positioning, job design, operating design, Hewlett Packard. Technology exploiter, new products, long-term perspective, product development, linked with process design, cost of competition, flexibility, cost, availability, positioning, process technology, capacity location, operating decision, supplier, Microsoft, Texas Instrument. Technological serviceman, custom service for the complex system for the low volume customer and market excellence in the product design, flexibility, quality, positioning, process technology, operating decision, supply chain, Infosys, TCS, Airbus, Industries, Boeing. Customizer, jobs of manufacturing to build custom design, flexibility and quality, positioning, process technology, operating decision, supply chain, Bark, huge network system, and the ECIL. Cost minimizing customizers, low volume nature product manufactured to individual customer designs, cost on time delivery, flexibility, positioning, process technology, supply chain, Hindustan Shipyard, and L&T. Cost minimizer, high volume producer of the standard commodity type product, long runs of the continuous production, cost availability, quality, positioning, process technology, capacity location, job design, operating decision, vertical integration, TISCO, NALCO, HAL, NIRMA, TI cycles, Hero cycles. Competitive advantage grow out of the entire system of the activity. The value creation logic of the organization can be visualized in the value chain. The most integrated the fit in the activity relating to the functional focus are the more effective in the strategy and the more difficult it is copied by the competition. In assessing its competitive strategy, the firm must focus on those value creating attributes that its customer look for in the product and which the firm is capable of delivering better than the others. The value creation logic should be such that the competitors find that cannot easily replicable the value provided by the firm. Take an organization with which you are familiar and use relevant tools and frameworks to identify and assess the potential source of the competitive advantage. Self-assessment question is there. Cost minimizer organizations have a strategy of producing high volume products and services at the low cost. Technological serviceman is a strategy of technological leadership in custom service to the market. Innovation, flexibility are the major components of the value creation logic. A strategy to build custom designs in the low volumes. Translating strategy into the operational effectiveness. Operation management is linked directly with many initiatives that firms use to sustain and revitalize competition. These include such approaches as rapid product development, process improvement, and total quality, lean production, and the supply chain management. As the workplace becomes more flexible, as information technology and the e-commerce permit new and innovative work management and customers become more demanding, operation management will continue to play a significant role from a strategic business perspective. Value is a core concept in a business strategy because it directs organization to strive to understand the customer buying process. People part with their money to buy a product when it delivers more value than the value they attribute to the money exchange. The value model assumes that a customer elects to purchase a product when a need exists and when the core and the augmented benefits derived from making a purchase exceeds the product's cost. The ultimate driver for all activity done within the organization is to satisfy the targeted customer. The product should also offer more value than the competitor's product. This must be the primary way in which the organization views the marketplace and be a determinant of the strategy. The strategy tells the operation functions, who the targeted customers and what they want, estimate the size of the market and anticipate distribution of the customers, and profiles how the firm intends to compete to win these customers. The rapid changes in the competitive environment reflected by the clock speed are having a major impact on a strategy formulation and the competitive environment. There are three forces that are the major drivers of these changes. Information technology provides vast few ways to communicate both within the operation, such as the having machine talking to the machines, and between the players within the firm's supply chain, such as a B2B vendor management software, B2B supply chain management tool that uses information technology to enhance the flow of the material within the supply chain are being adapted by the many organizations. Traditional purchasing may continue to exist, but the roles of the humans within the e-purchasing system will be dramatically different. This is the first force. The second force is the market's demand for the product customization. Customers can participate in leading-edge firms' product innovation process. Example, Maruti Udyog Limited, the premier automobile manufacturer in India, has responded to the changing competition in the market in a bid to retain its premier position in the market. It is offering customization for its basic car model, the Maruti 800, before customers have demanded it. This includes basic facelifting to a completely color-coordinated version. The customer has been offered a choice of the color combination, material, and functionality adds-on. The facility is available on the new purchase. It is also available for in-use cars so that the company retains the goodwill of its existing customers. Customization has increased in importance as economy of scales no longer induce manufacturer to make standard products using their standard parts. Sundaram Fasteners Limited is the better example, has split its earlier integrated manufacturing system into a smaller production model. The company calls these zones of the autonomous production. These have enhanced worker skills on the one hand and the company's flexibility on the other. The third major force impacting operation manager is increased globalism, especially within the firm's supply chain. This has been instrumental in creating a new production system of the worldwide sourcing, which is now a foundation of the new world economy. Instead of the simply operating plants aboard, multinational integrated those plants that manufacture their components of the subdivision of a globally organized production process. General Motors sources its component from as many as 50 countries. Its radiator caps are supplied by the Sundaram Fasteners. Globalism also impacts the service sectors. A small security setup in the Hyderabad is providing security services for a number of the large integrated office complexes in the New York. Though it has placed no security personnel in the USA, another example is the emergence of India into a major player in the software development. Infosys, NIT, SCL, etc. are primarily offering their services in offshore market. They service clients such as Ford, General Motors, GE, Unilever, etc.